Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some sausage roll and a pepperoni roll, or a stromboli if that's what you want to call it, on the Weber Kettle. It was on a pizza stone. Had a talk with Slowhand a few weeks ago about how I've never cracked a pizza stone. Lo and behold, I was making that second roll, and I popped it on there. I think when I lifted it, it's only 40 degrees out. In here it's 48, I think. Hold on. 50. It's 52 now. It was 48 earlier. So anyway, when I put that second roll on and I put the lid on, I heard boom, cracked it, and the sausage roll got a little burnt on the bottom. Now, how you can make a save on something like that is that bottom crust that's now burnt. That becomes your plate, basically. So you just eat down like a pot pie. Let's check it out. It's been on for only like 15 minutes. Well, the sausage roll has been on longer. When you're in a rush, things happen. So, yeah, I got out of work. I said, yes, I would make dinner, and oh my goodness, throwing everything together as fast as I could, because roads out here, we had this giant flood. If you guys didn't know, upstate New York got nailed by a giant storm, and lots of roads are shut down, so getting home took a little bit longer than expected. That is what it is. Cheers, folks. Nothing that this won't cure. How's everybody out there? Comment down below. Daylight savings tonight, I hate it. I do, honestly. So let's get this finished up, cut into it, check it out, and it's nice in here now that I got that one grill rolling. Everything's sealed up. Fan is, it's a little loud, yeah, I know, but better safe than sorry. Up there, boom, sucking all that smoke out of here. I like it, guys. It's pretty good. It's pretty darn good. All right, check back in a minute. pizza roll. Let's check that. Sausage roll. Now I'm being honest. I burnt the hell out of it. That bottom burnt the hell. Just eat the top. It's perfect. Like I said, the bottom's your plate if you burn it. Just don't eat it. It was only burnt on one side of the roll. So, hey. Oops. Anyway. Here, check this out. Boom. That one's good. Oh, hell yeah. Sausage roll. Pepperoni roll. Stromboli, if you want to call it. On the Weber kettle. Should have used a slow and sear, actually, because it acts more like an oven. Check it out. Man, oh, it smells delicious, folks. That's very good. Very good. I got something on my nose. Nope, it's just lighting. Real good. Awesome. Let's check that pepperoni one right after this bite. There's a little char on that. Flick that off. Oh, yeah. Flick it off. That's from that crust from the first piece. Get that going. Look at the bottom of this part. Perfect. Now that's what you want. That is what you want. Yeah, that's perfect. At one side, though, holy. Making that other freaking roll, the heat was just coming up too much on that side. And that's what I got. Boom. Pepperoni and mushroom roll. Oh, I got a little pepper somehow. Huh. Yeah, it's no good. Oh. Oh. Hell yeah. Now that's rocking. Yep. Much like a calzone. They are quick. If you don't have an accident, like I did, you can make this up in like prep time's like 10 minutes and then cook time 20 minutes tops on your Weber kettle. You're like 350. Funny thing is, just a couple weeks ago, clocking a slow hand, I never had that issue. So this is the first time I've ever slowly warmed my pizza stone. Usually I throw it right on while it's hot. When I open that up, look at that. Boom, just split it in 3. Crazy. Is what it is. And I was like, nah, just because it's an old one. That was my first pizza stone when I first moved out in my first apartment. Crazy. But like I said, it's in the high 40s tonight. And when I opened that grill up and I threw that next pizza roll on, close that lid, boom, that's when it happened. So, it is what it is. Cheers, folks. Oh, it's a short one today. I didn't expect to do another video this week, but it was fun, and everybody's inside eating. And I got a new little picture here. A little tin. Galvanized pig. We got to be doing some ribs here soon. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Anyway, folks, comment down below. Leave your thumbs up and all that good stuff. Subscribe if it's your first time. Get yourself a nice cold one if you don't like any of the other options. Cheers.